Hey everybody, welcome into Introduction to AI Companion on Zoom. You will never have to take notes again. So if you don't know about Zoom's AI Companion, this course is for you. I'm going to make your life so much easier with this game changer. So in order to use this AI Companion tool for the Zoom meeting, you do have to have a paid membership for that. And in April of 2025, the best price checking I could get was anywhere from $150 to about $200 per year. So this is the second portion of the screen when you're scheduling your Zoom meeting. So at the top, you would fill in who you're meeting with and what the meeting is about, the time limit, time zone, etc. But when you come down here, you want to pay attention to that AI companion box. Click that top one. And what that does is it turns it on for you. It's also a good idea to go into your settings because you want to verify that everything's set up how you want it. So you can share access with people, whether that be the participants, the invites, if you only want it with you, just a whole bunch of stuff. So it's just smart to walk through each part of the settings for the AI companion. So this is just more of the settings menu here. And you just want to make sure that you're toggling on all the options that you do want to utilize. It's very important that you come in into your settings and under AI Companion, you're toggling the stuff that you want on or off to ensure that it's going to do what you want it to do. My meeting summary hits my inbox within 5 minutes of my meeting being done, and it truly is a game changer. It gives me a recap, any next steps, or a task list. You can really even ask it during your meeting to make you a note for a specific item. So if you're not using this, I really encourage you to. It has been a game changer in my workday, and I just want to thank you guys for your time. Have a good one.